Here's a pair of the T21 earbuds. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to an iPhone via Bluetooth. The iPhone that I'm using here is a iPhone 16e. So the first thing we got to do is put the buds into pairing mode, okay? So the buds are in the case right now. Let's go ahead and first just take these out. And then we'll know that these are in pairing mode if one of these is blinking blue, red, blue, red, blue, red, okay? So give it like a few seconds and now just wait. Okay, I'm not getting no lights. The reason why I'm not getting no lights is because I'm actually connected to a different phone right now. So it's connected to this Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus phone here. So let me just turn off Bluetooth on here. Let me go to settings on this phone here. I'm gonna go to connections. I'm gonna go to Bluetooth. Yeah, and it says it's paired to T21. So I'm just gonna go ahead and turn Bluetooth off. And as soon as I turn this off, the earbuds will go into pairing mode. Okay, ready? Watch. Off. Now look at the earbuds. Oh, there we go. One of them is blinking blue, white, or blue, red, blue, red, blue, red. So now it's in pairing mode. Now we got to hurry up and go to our iPhone here. We're going to go to Bluetooth settings. So we're going to go to settings. And then from here, we're going to go down to Bluetooth. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on here. And that little spinny thing next to devices, it's searching for devices that's in pairing mode near me. Okay, these are still in the pairing mode. It did find the T21s right there. Let's tap right there. Okay, voila, we're connected, ready to go. Now, if you had any kind of issues pairing or connecting, or you couldn't get into pairing mode, you can always factory reset these too if you need to do that. Look below in the description area for that link.